Hello, my lovely students. Today for math, we are going to take some notes. We're going to write down some vocabulary words and the meaning of those math words. So while we're doing it, you might have to press pause on the video so you can write the word and the example. If I could send this to you all and hope that you'd print it out and put it in your books and read it, that would be great, but I don't know who has printers and who does not. So we'll just write them. You already know what they mean. We've been doing it for a week now. Our arrays, repeated addition, representing multiplication. Okay, so let's do that. And again, when you're writing the word in the example, just stop me. And then when you're ready for the next one, you do the next one. You could do at least 2 vocabulary words in your composition book. You turn to the next available page. Let me show you what that means. So I start at the beginning and I'm turning. Oh, there's my next available page. So I'm going to start at the top with my date. Today is 9-14-20. That can always go on the top. Now leave a couple finger spaces, go down here. Okay. And the first one you're going to do, we have examples of these equations. You see an addition equation, subtraction equation, should be multiplication, and division. We have not written division equations yet, but you can put those examples in there. Okay, stop or pause and go ahead and write those. Okay. You know these because we make arrays. If we have the problem 2 times 3, it's 2 rows of 3. Here is 2 rows of 3. Rows go left to right. Okay, you could press pause and go ahead and write rows and model that, how it goes left to right. I made the arrow because that helps me remember. And then you have columns are up and down. Okay, columns go up and down. So this again is 2 rows of 3. There are, if you go up and down, there's 3 columns. Okay. These ones we really did last week. We were labeling, and remember we were switching the factors, okay? Let's say we had 2, it's probably backwards, I know. 2 times 1, and if 2 times 1 is 2, because any number times 1 is that number. So then if I switch the factors, I still have 1 times 2 is 2. You could switch the factors like 3 times 5 or 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so here is an example of factors. Go ahead and write the equation and label the numbers being multiplied are factors. And the product is the answer. Okay, so that's 2, 4, 5. Okay, not too many, easy peasy. Now we're going to show equal groups. Equal means the same. Each of these groups has 6. When you share or divide, you are getting the same in each group. You don't want to be unfair, right, to your friends. Okay, so go ahead and write that one down. That's equal groups, or you can write the word array. And I will too. Each array is showing 3 rows with 2 in each row. Okay, you can pause me here and continue to write that. And now our next vocab word is multiplication. And this picture is showing you 4 groups times 3 in each group equals 12. Again, notice each group has the same amount. It has to be equal shares. Stop the video and write this down. I know you know this, but do it anyway. You know number lines can go on and on and on and on. Okay, so just model the word number line and draw the number line. Oh, boys and girls, I'm seeing another array coming up. Okay, so here we have 2 rows of 3 again. There's 3 columns and 2 rows. Go ahead and write both of these multiplication equations because it's showing how you could switch the factors and you still get the same product. Go ahead and pause and put your examples in your book. All right, boys and girls, I will see you tomorrow for our math lesson. Check back under Google Classroom for the math lesson today.